Hi guys, my name is Jessica Wade. Today I'm going to show you how to tie a shoe. This is how you tie a shoe. First, make an X like this. Now I'm going to get this bottom string and then I'm going to put under these strings. Then I'm going to pull it tight. And then now I'm going to make this as a bow. And now I'm going to grab the string and then tie it up. And then I'm going to put it through here and then through the hole. Then pull it tight. And this is how you tie a shoe. Please subscribe. Bye guys.